Hi guys, kamusta? Thank you, Francis, for the crystal rose. Thank you. Thank you, Apaji. Thank you, Shin. Hello, guys. Yeah, I know. Thank you, Shin, for the love you. Hi, guys. Kamusta, everyone? Yung pag-announce mo kahapon. Anyway. Let's wait for more viewers and then we'll start the chat with me naman today. Oh my gosh, muntik na mabasag ko. Wait, let me fix this first. Real quick. Sugar. There you go. Much better. How are you? I'm okay. A bit tired, but okay naman. Hi! How are you guys? Kaya ko ba ito yesterday? Why tired? Thank you, Arya, for the hand heart. Bad mood ba or sleepy lang? Sleepy lang. Paano bad mood? Thank you for the hand hearts, Arya. Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Basta event kahapon, okay naman. Very fun kasi ang daming pumunta. Kaya man lagi mood niya. Grabe! Thank you so much. How are you today? I'm okay, thank you. Bitin, dalawa lang kinanta nyo. Next time, mas marami na. Sa October 25. Yeah. See you in Robgal. Colleen will perform again on October 25 in Robinson's Galleria. Thank you, Arya, for the balloon crown. Nagpatakot pa kahapon. Hindi naman. Pang thrill lang yun. Hello Arya. Terima kasih. Ah, no, different po. Looking for those gold coins, by the way. I gave it all to Jamie. Medyo kinabahan kami ng konti. Thank you, Arya and A. Anyways, sige, let's go do our intro na. Colleen, Quad Lips, there are only 4 members, right? Correct. There's only 4 members in Quad Lips. So, hello po, mabuhay. I'm MNL48 and... Hello po, mabuhay. I'm a proud Filipina here to represent MNL48 and Quad Lips. So, thank you so much for joining my live today. My name is Cole. We're all about fun, passion, but mostly fun Mostly chatting about me, about you, about everyone here. Are you happy that Emma won Miss Grand? Oh, I wasn't. I'm not updated on that actually. Let's go check. What do you think about the new member of Quad Lips? I think it's good that we're having a fresh, a new taste, a new flavor to Quad Lips. We're adjusting, everybody's adjusting, especially we transferred from Thailand here to the Philippines. Aside from that, we got so used to Hinasang being part of Quad Lips, and you know, we're just all adjusting. But she's really kind. She's really kind. Who you prefer, Mashiro or Hina? Both. We could be 5 lips. Hi. Ikaw, kailan ka sasali ng Miss Grand International? Ooh, let's see. How long has Coley been here? MNL 48. Coley has been in MNL 48 for almost 18, 19, 20, almost 7 years. Almost 7 years. OT5 Quad Lips. Paiba-iba. Yes, panahon dito sa Pinas paiba-iba. So everybody's really adjusting. Living here, and even I'm adjusting myself because I got so used to being in Thailand, and in Thailand it's just me and the members and BNK48, CGM48, some other Thai artists, and just me and work. Here I have to juggle time with my friends, with my family, with Quad Lips and MNL48. Ang bilis ng ano. Hi, ako. Ang bilis ng ano. You want to play Mobile Legends with me? Next time, we'll open the gameplay to everyone as long as they subscribe. Cole, di ba first gen ka? Yes, I'm first gen. 1.5 gen po ako. 7 years, yes. Since Kenkisei, may naisip na kayong fandom name for QL, idea like that. Actually, yesterday, from what I know, meron ng Quad Lips PH fandom. So you guys can check that out if you want to be involved. Yes, so thank you so much. I feel like Quad Lips PH is okay now. Oo. Inas kayo ng fandom name. So if so, I feel like it's fine. Clover sounds good. You guys can decide among yourselves. Quadlinatics. Hello from the Philippines. Thank you guys. Wala na dumama fans ng Quad Lips dito. Sobrang saya. Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very, very grateful to everyone who supported Quad Lips. Some of you guys might not know na ayun, where our origins are from, but I feel like as long as you support the group, you'll slowly get to know us. Yeah. Gusto yung performance sa Mega Mall. Maganda, masaya, super saya. Can you speak Indonesian? I can say, aku dari Philippines. Wait, let me check. Let's check my kodigo. Aku cinta kamu. Bawi next time, child, nilalagnat ako kahapon. Ote. Get well soon. I'm distracted na nagphoto na. Yeah! Pinagalitan tuloy ako. What do you know about Indonesian food? I eat martabak. I love martabak. And nasi goreng, of course. Sana may 9th single after OMP. Let's see. When are you coming to Indonesia again? Hopefully soon. I'll see you there, okay? Oh, hindi naman. Okay lang yan. I mean, see you sa 25 though, but like, I should see you on 25th. Do you watch Pangako Sa'yo? I very like Philippine film. I love Pangako Sa'yo. I was a fangirl of Daniel Padilla. Katniel. Katniel is what you call the love team of Pangako Sa'yo. Tama ba? Let me check real quick. Right? Yeah, Katniel. I love Katniel. Katniel. It's the name of the tandem. Yay, thank you. Really? Yes, it's okay. They want to liking you. Is it okay? Of course. It's very okay. Sarah Geronimo and James Reid. Pangako Sa'yo? Pangako Sa'yo is Katniel. Thoughts? Saan? Sa nababalitang AI-assisted song nyo daw soon. Ooh, this collaboration is mixed feelings for me. It's really good that we're innovating in a way, but at the same time, you know, I write songs too, in case you don't know, but parang it's different if an AI makes a song. It's gonna be assisted though by one of a known artist, Thomas Gold. So I feel like there's gonna be a hint of humanity there naman. Have you heard me? Oh really? Hold on. Yeah. When was this? 2000 to 2002. Well, she mentioned kasi a while ago the 2015 one. So, Pangako Sa'yo 2015 is the Katniel, right? Yeah, Katniel. Thank you for the bonus. Thank you, guys. 1 year old lang ako nun. Ako nga, hindi pa ako pinapanganak nun eh. But, I feel like it would be good also. Remake. Remake pala yun! Sino yung original? I see. Thank you, Cha, for the roses. Well, sorry for being old. Being old. Shown on Indonesian TV. Really? What else aside from Pangako Sa'yo? I like a guy with a kind heart. Or girl. I'm sorry, I can't accept it. Ooh, chess competition, congrats. She did a great job yesterday, her debut curve. Yeah, we all worked hard on it. Ano sa tingin mo, Mashiro? Mabait siya. From the very few months, or no, not even months, yeah. From the 1 or 2 months that we've been together, she's kind. What sport do you like? I play basketball, volleyball, badminton. Nangyari sa live kanina, late ako, di nagana yung stream. Yes, nag-e-echo siya, hindi ko siya maayos. So I gave up. We'll do 6 hours today. Oh no! It's fine. Failures. How does the saying goes? How does the saying go? The saying goes like this. You'll never know. Hello, my brain is not working. Wait lang. Yes, I play basketball. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Hold on, I'm distracted again. Oh yes, so you'll never know what it feels like to win if you don't lose. You get me? Nag-dinner ka na? Yes. Nag-date kami ni Daddy kanina. Hi! Matas? What's matas? Hi! We should Valo. As soon as I figure out how to play, how to use this, we'll play. Oh, may nabudol ako. We ate good food. Grabe yun, 6 hours kaya yan. Which country have you visited the most? I visited Thailand the most. Oh, mataas boses ni Mashiro. She has, softer voice. Ako Filipino. Myself. I feel like they liked Laril or Shell. Thank you for the follow. Ah! Napindot ko! May napindot ako. Hindi ko dapat pinindot. Hold on. What is this? Ah! Eh?
Ate ko! Nagulat ako sa'yo!
Bakit? Bakit ka nagugulat?
Nagulat ako sa surprise mo! Wow!
Interviewin kasi kita.
Uy! Na-pressure ako doon!
Wait lang, pero dapat magkaroon tayo ng at least 5 bow knots and 5 little crowns.
Oo nga! Medyo, Ate Coley, nagulat ako sa ano mo sa appearance mo
Saan?
Wala, nagulat lang ako sa'yo. Ang ganda-ganda mo kasi.
Hello? May hawas
Oh, guys.
Kasama ka ba dun sa SM, SM?
Wala, ate.
Wala ka rin? High five.
Hindi kasi inubo ako ng bongga nung time na yun eh. Oo,
You do sound a little bit sick ngayon.
Yeah, how about you? Okay ka naman? You had an event, right?
Yeah, we had an event yesterday. Kaya hindi ako naka-attend ng SM kasi I had rehearsal nung time na yun.
Congrats! Congrats!
Thank you. Magpagaling ka.
Thank you, yeah. Nagtitake naman po ako ng meds right now and yeah. More on sipon na lang.
How are you?
How are you? I'm okay, ate. Oh my gosh.
Wow, may
Parang
one little crown na ako.
Wow! Guys, saan pa daw kayo ng crown? Sabi ni Ate Coley.
Oo.
Thank you niya.
May siniyana ng little crowns tsaka ng bow knots.
Grabe. Were you naka-live kanina pa, ate?
Hindi ka-live ko lang din.
Kasi
Ikaw, napanood kita kanina eh. I don't know if dumaan kasi sa YouTube. Tapos naalala ko, kailangan ko rin pala mag-live. Okay, let's go live.
Okay. Sige. Until ano ako, Ate Cole eh? Until 4 a.m.
Girl, same!
Bakit? Bakit?
Kasi nga, di ba? Grabe yung skeds ko. So, siguro nga, okay lang. Dito na lang tayo matulog, no?
Diba? Hanggang paghiga na.
Do we answer interviews na?
Sige, ikaw bahala. Okay na naman.
Let's go.
Yeah, we can go. Hi!
Okay, so for me, first single na we had after a long time, diba? Yeah, so aside from that, ang dami na ring members na umalis, ganun. So may natira, which is kayo. And gladly, syempre, meron pang first, may second pa, may third, may fourth, may fifth. So, parang ito pa yung chance natin maging complete sa all generations. Syempre, parang, ayun, kasi syempre, nung time na, sobrang dami nang umalis, parang, we're doing this na lang for them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Diba? And kayong natira, you're doing it for your first gens. Doing it, and yung mga second gen, like sa Ate Jamie, she's doing it for the second gen. And parang you're all representing the past generation.
The group, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And coming third gen rin, yung pinagdaanan naming pandemic pa lang, diba? So, we're like, this is a big thing for us talaga. Yung chance na maging part ng Sable. Ako kasi nag-away man na ako and I was na ma-experience din ng mga ka-third gen ko. And hindi ko in-expect na ma-experience ko yun na magkakasama tayo, gano'n. So, yun, tuwa ako na hindi ko na-oversee actually na magkakasingle na kasama ko din sila and kayo. Hindi ko na-oversee yun.
Good, dami namin na learn to this single. And dami namin, yun lang, dami namin natutunan sa single na to in general.
Yeah, especially kay ate, parang you're the ones who's leading us right now. And it's like a lot of pressure. Yeah.
Lalo na kay Captain.
Yeah.
Anyway.
But yeah, you're doing good. I'm proud.
Me too. I'm proud of you too. I'm proud of Jen in general.
I'm proud of you and yeah, nababalance mo lahat.
What is balance?
Well, MNL and Podlips, diba? That's not easy. And as much as possible, nakaka-perform ka pa rin with us. Diba? That's
talaga. I try. I really try.
So, until 4 a.m.
Do you play ML ba? Do you play ML? You used to play ML, di ba?
Sabay smile.
No na?
Oh, no na. Alam mo ba, ate, Cole? The only time I played was when we had the tournament. Yeah. Because no one in the family.
Oo nga, I could see that. I can see that, yes.
Yan. No, buti sana kung meron akong parang taga-turo around the house or something. But I'm just with my mom and my dad and my cats, so no one.
You have cats?
Yeah, cats.
You're a cat girly?
Yeah!
Where?
Papakita ko mamaya, si Matcha.
Oh!
Send mo na kayo ng corgi sa amin ni Ate Cole. Nagmudan.
Ano?
May cute na sticker, yung corgi. Yung may cute na foot. You don't know pala, I have cats. I have, 1, 2, 5 cats? I think I have 5. I think I have 5 cats.
You think you have 5? Why don't you know?
Because
Thank you for the corgi. I saw the corgi na rin.
Nasa relatives namin, there's more. Yeah, mga anak ng cats ko, ganun. So, binibigay sa relatives namin. So, I have Matcha, Milky, Keiko, Hunter, 4 pala.
So ngayon, sila yung 4 yung kasama mo now.
Yeah, kasama ko now. Ano na sila? I think si Matcha 1 year old na. 1 year old. Tapos si Milky, months. I think.
Baby!
Baby.
I didn't know you have cats.
Milky and Matcha. Keiko and Panther. Kasi si Panther black siya. How about you? Do you have cats?
Don't.
Are you
I'm not fond of pets. But I do, my family has a dog named Snowy. And another dog named, oh my gosh, what's his name? I forgot. German Shepherd siya. And si Snowy is a pom. What was he? Kaylon. Snowy and Kaylon. I don't like
Chloe?
pets. I mean,
Really? Bakit
not hate, but
Yeah.
okay lang, like, wow, okay dog, okay nice. But I don't think I can take care of
Mm.
pet kasi.
But sa cats kasi, they're very low maintenance. Like, doon na lang sa litter sana.
Are they easy to train?
Nakalambing though. But yung cats ko kasi, kahit ikis ko ng ikis, di sila nagkagalit. Hindi sila nangangalpot. Yeah. Sweet sila.
Oh my gosh, wait. May nag-comment si Serena daw. Nag 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. nag-live.
Oh!
Nocturnal. Nocturnal. Si Serena daw, 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. nag-live. To 4 a.m.
Oh my God! Okay lang. Kaya yan. Tinotoo.
Kaya yan? Oh my gosh. What do you wanna, sige, I'll ask you first na lang. Na pala.
Natakot.
What, given the economy the Philippines have, what can you say? Joke lang.
Oh my God!
No.
You're ready.
Ano lang,
Mga ano, what's your favorite color gano'n?
okay, kasi I know it's pink, girl. May kwento pa ako isa. Sige, pag may nag-send ng ano ba maganda? Corgi? Corgi na lang din ulit. Sige, pag may nag-send ng Corgi ulit, may i-reveal ako kung paano ko nalaman na favorite color ni Rihanna, I think.
Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam yan I'm also interested.
It's not bad. It's just, talaga, feeling ko hindi mo nga rin alam eh. I feel like you don't know then. It's fine.
Guys, send me.
It's a cute story naman. It's a cute story.
Aww.
So, favorite color mo is pink. What's your favorite number?
8.
Sa electric fan.
5? Sorry, 5.
Anong favorite number mo? Tapos explain why.
Okay. Favorite number ko 8. Kasi, wala. Lucky Chinese number siya. Yun lang. Walang deep meaning.
Makes sense.
Kasi yun. Basta kapag may plaka, ganon, or like may necklace.
May 8. Dapat 8. May 8.
Yun
Anong meaning nun? Anong meaning nun sa Chinese?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Sabi lang ni Dad, lucky number yun.
Okay.
Pero I think luck sa fortune din. And
Makes sense.
how about you?
My favorite number sa electric fan is 2. Kasi pag 1 masyadong mainit, tapos pag 3 masyadong malamig.
Malamig. Oh. Yeah.
Pero
Are you the kind of person na after mo buksan, after a while, papatayin mo na din agad?
hindi.
Ganun ako.
Ano siya forever.
Okay. Ganun ako with fan. Ang bilis kong ginawin sa fan comparing sa hair.
I see. Kasi nakatapat lang yung sa bagay may sense. For my favorite number is anything that has to do with 7. Kasi, tuwing may competition ako sa school before, kasi I compete like pageant or yung mga muse sa contest sa school. 7 lagi natatapat sa akin. Pag 7 ako, nananalo ko.
Wow! Okay. So that's your lucky number.
Tapos 27 is, my birthday. So,
Okay. Nice. Yeah.
okay. This is going well.
Ito pala.
Ganito tayo hanggang 7 a.m. pala. 7 a.m.
Yeah.
Tama yan di ba? 7 to 7. Right?
Grabe. Let's see. Ako lang ako. Charot.
Yeah. Nakapag-live ka ba this week?
That's why nga, totoohin ko nga yung 7 a.m.
Okay. What did you plan on doing sa live?
Update them with what's going on with me because I've been sick na the past few days. Ganun ako lagi, Ate Cole. Pag may event, ang bilis kong tablan ng sakit after.
Pagod kasi.
Parang,
rest.
I mean, nagtataka ako. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Hindi naman lahat nagkakasakit. Bakit ako, pagka-after ng ganap, laging mayroon ng,
You should, boost your vitamins.
Yeah, vitamins na.
And matulog ng maaga, hindi nagpupuyat. Gaya ng gagawin natin tonight.
Kaya nang gagawin natin. Huwag muna, yung advice, ipanliliban muna natin.
Oo, for today, yes.
Bukas na lang natin sabihin yung advice na huwag sila magpuyat.
Huwag naman sila tayo magpuyat, no?
Tayo magpuyat. Ay, ko. Okay. So, what are you doing right now? Are you doing some stuff then in your computer?
No, I'm, fixing my schedule because it is diabolical. I'm gonna, kasi, enter university na din this school year.
Okay.
Finally. Finally.
You can fix your own schedule naman according to how you can.
Yeah. Luckily, na ganun nga yung pinasukan kong school.
Yeah.
Kasi puro kami travel.
Yeah.
Ano ba bang, easy question? When's your birthday? Aren't you, wait, no, don't tell me actually. Was it, September? Recently ka na nag-birthday, di ba?
Yeah, pero medyo matagal-tagal na din. Like,
Hindi ka September? October?
parang grabe, nag-birthday ako recently.
Ba? If it's not September, it's not August ka? Hindi ka August. July. July what?
July 1st.
First?
Yeah.
I wanna see what your zodiac sign is.
Cute nga na birthday ko first eh. Sabi nga ni mommy, parang muntik niya na daw ako labas ng 31. But then my dad was like, wag, 31. Dapat
Control yun? Hindi yan nakakontrol. What? That's crazy.
si mommy nag-decide when ako
That's crazy, man.
si mom nag-decide. Hindi yung parang di niya na-control. Siya yung nag-decide kung kailan niya ako ilalabas sa outside world.
Bakit no?
Grabe, July 1.
Oo, sabi niya, huwag ka muna umiri. Huwag mo muna ilabas si Baby Rihanna.
Hold it. Kailangan,
Wait.
July 1.
Yeah, wait.
Dapat opening ng month.
Oh, what time? Baka 12 a.m. naman or something.
Like 6 a.m. Yeah. You're searching ba? What zodiac sign?
No, I know na. It's Cancer.
Oh! How about you? Dapat i-check natin yung compatibility natin.
Sige nga, i-check natin.
Sige. What's yours?
So, I'm Virgo eh.
Oh, okay.
We're good compatibility. Alam mo ba yun? Kasi my grandmom was, so sad. Cancer.
Oo.
And, yeah, ayan o, sabi dito. Virgo and Cancer share a harmonious relationship characterized by emotional depth, practicality, and mutual support, making them a well-matched pair.
Wow. German.
Girl, that's why, we don't clash.
Yeah, I think so. That's nice. I think the most accurate thing about me being a Cancer is, I think I am parang bilis ko maiyak. Ganon.
Hindi naman siguro.
Hindi ganon yung parang most accurate. Like when I'm happy, parang medyo naiiyak
I hear you cry. I get it.
When I'm hungry, naiiyak. So, ganon. Ganon siya. Pero as a Virgo, what do you think is the most accurate thing yung sa'yo?
Wait lang. Sorry, what? So, I think the most accurate thing would be, very, how do I say? Balance. In terms of, wala lang, balance lang. Kunyari, may conflict. Okay, let's hear both sides. And then let's compromise at the same. Parang ganun yung ko.
That's
Mediator. Yes. That's cool. What course are you taking? I'm taking psychology. I'm so sorry. Napapasarap yung kwentuhan namin ni Rihanna, kaya I'm not able to read the live, but yeah. I'm reading right now. Same here as a Virgo. Oh, di ba may Virgo din? Parang, level lang. Why?
search natin. Na-curious no?
Ano sinerch mo?
Yung pag friendship, kasi lumalabas yung mga love life eh.
Ay, oo nga.
So, I search yung sa friendship. You're there.
No problem.
Parang you're trying to be logical in some situations. Parang you're trying to understand it in that sense. That's good. Us as Cancers, we're like driven by our emotions. So parang sometimes you need to focus on the other.
Important yung emotions, yes, but kunyari, may problem. Majority or most of the people will say na, oh my gosh, may problem. This is the problem. We will think of it as, okay, ano dapat? Kasi majority, more often than not din, people tend to put aside these emotions which make them appear nonchalant. But nonchalance is like, it's not a pro. Maganda din yung nalalabas ng emotions mo. If you're happy and you feel like crying, you can just do whatever you want. You can cry, you can be angry, you can feel.
Yeah.
You can sympathize. Ano. Lalo naman kami niya. Yeah.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Kaya ba natin na... Ilang hours yun? Ilang hours? 9 hours!
Grabe!
Ka ba naka-live?
Ha?
Kanina ka pa naka-live? Hindi.
6 ako nag-start.
Tama lang. Tama lang. Alam ko din. Kasi nga yung schedule ko with Quadlets, nahirapan ako.
Yeah. So, is this your first live?
No naman.
Ako lang pala yung first.
Oo, ikaw lang.
Sorry. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Since the concert, wala na. Hindi na ako...
Yung nagkasakit ka rin kasi.
Well, babawi naman ako ML Loves, diba? Hanggang bukas tayo ng umaga. Oh, this is so cute. This song. Go. Who am I compatible with? Na-curious na lahat Cancer compatibility. Compatible side. Let's see kung meron tayong compatibility sa ML Love. Sino sa kanila?
Oo nga. What's your zodiac sign? Chat kayo below. Oh, how about MBTI? Do you know your MBTI? Girl! Search mo, 16 personalities. And then you take the test. And then, let's all take the test. And then, let me know what your MBTI
I
is.
feel like I took this na, pero I just forgot. Personality test. 16 personality. Oh my gosh! Scorpio, Pisces! Both compatible with me. Sobra.
Gemini, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces. Parang, wait, let me see.
Wow, that's so cute.
Capricorn, Leo. Ooh. Aquarius. Ay, Aquarius!
Wow! Sino pa sa inyo? So right now, Scorpio, Cancer. Anyone who's Capricorn? Anyone who's Taurus? Anyone who's Pisces? Wow! So our compatibility is stable relationship. And my compatibility with Scorpio is best match. Wow, best match. That's for Capricorn. Opposite attraction.
Your information, iba comments mo kay Rihanna. Yes, I know. Nung kayo ba kami comments? No way. Pag nag-live na kami ni Jamie, di ba, sometimes magpapakwento kami ng mga love life, ganyan. Tapos iba-iba yung pinagsasabi namin. So, magulo din yung live namin. It's okay, guys.
Iba yung comment.
It's normal. O sa Aries daw, challenging compatibility ng Virgo. Wait, let's see Cancer. Strong compatibility naman daw with Cancer. Virgo.
I'm usually compatible with people who are logical na parang problem solver. Parang I'm the problem and then someone has to be around.
I think that's true. Parang that's true, Rihanna.
Parang someone has to be the problem and then
I can agree.
Tapos problem solver yung isa. So yung mga problem solver pala gusto nagsosolve ng
Tama naman. I'm just, GPT ko lang to be honest, if that's what it said. I'm not, it's a good guideline, but of course, when you get to know the person more and when you, it's
yeah.
just a fun way to see things.
Yeah. But it's just so cool how at some point it's accurate, ano? Diba?
May nakaka-relate. Kahit
Yeah.
tatanong sila, legit ba 9 hours live? Oh, yes!
Yeah. Yung phone ko nga lang yung maunang sumuko kaysa sa akin. Dapat
Ayan pa tayo. Tomorrow, I have stuff to do.
oh yeah.
I think I'll just go live mga hanggang 12 a.m. Automatically at like 7 a.m. 7, 6. It's not good. Kasi kahit nagpupuyat ako, 7 pa rin ako nagigising.
Gigising ako 7, tas 7, tas tutulog ulit ako.
Hindi na ako nakakatulog.
Baka kapag gising mo kasi nagpo-phone ka na, usually pag nag-phone ka na, hindi ka na makakatulog talaga.
Nagbabasa ako ng Bible. I'm a religious person.
Good. That's good.
When I wake up. Most of the people don't know that. Majority.
Out mo, guys. Watch mo, may lesson. Read book ulit. Watch mo. May lesson.
Ganun din yung Bible. Up din yung Bible.
Bible.
We don't play video games like at all. Ayan pa naman sana kita mag-Valorant.
Boring eh. King Mama.
Okay, I get it.
Masaya. Yung mga friends ko linalaro nila Minecraft. Eh. Which hindi rin ako.
Gusto din naman Minecraft.
Wow! Hindi rin ako.
Pero patayan din kasi yun technically.
Yung mga dress-up course ko bagay sa akin kasi parang hindi ko kailangan maging competitive. Kailangan ko lang maging creative. Parang kanya-kanya tayong idea.
Gumagawa ka ng sarili mong dollhouse. Gano'n.
Yeah. Pero it's like, the fun part is like you get to meet yung parang yung mga tao tapos kailangan mo interviewin yung lifestyle nila tapos na may achievement ka na mas napadali mo yung life nila kasi ganito yung situation ng house nila ganun. Yeah, parang the fun part.
I'm gonna ask something about the life.
Okay. Wait lang ate, I'll just go to the restroom real quick. Sabi talaga, I don't know how talaga.
You can pause the live. You're muted, baby girl. You can pause the live. May button dyan to pause the live. You can't ba? You have to leave.
Baka nga, I can't because, there's the two of us live. Baka nga. So, I'll just mute.
Ah, sige. Pwede pa yun. Sorry ka. Hi guys! So tonight our feature member is Rihanna. Sana nagustuhan ni Mashiro yung Fame yung banners. Of course nagustuhan nila. I think Mashiro and they kept a copy of one. Na-restrict ata yung live ko kasi may restriction si baby girl. Hi, thank you, Richie. Thank you. While we're waiting, Colleen, nakapag-take ka na ng MBTI before, di ba? Ano results? I am ENFP. ENFP. Dati ENTP. Basta lagi nagbabago yung result. I don't know why. Retake tayo ngayon lahat. Sige. Alamin natin MBTI natin ngayon. And then I think in a sense, it will let us get to know each other more. Are you really an extrovert? It's like in between eh. Yeah, I feel like I'm an ambivert if that word even exists. Kasi there are times na I really like to be around people, and then there will be times that I just want to be alone. Yeah, I just want to be by myself. Play my games, ganun. But I'm lucky that my friends understand that, because if they don't, they probably would think na, they would think differently. Energy Nicole, what's tao? Pero lobat niya rin tao. Oo nga, I agree. My source of energy comes from people, but the reason I'm not energized is because of people as well. It depends. It really depends. Kaya nga kanina, pagkapasok, di ba may nagsabi, ba't parang bad trip ka today? Hindi ako bad trip. Hello, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Sheesh.
Such a powerful, powerful photograph. Thank you everyone pala who took photos and videos yesterday. Ayan na, Rihanna's back. Pag around extrovert, naging introvert and vice versa. Yeah, that's true. She's back. She's back from the toilet break. You're muted pa rin ah. So, nag-request sila na mag-MBTI test daw tayo.
Okay.
Let's take it together.
Okay.
What link? Yung 16personalities.com.
Okay.
Inet kita nga talaga.
Sige, I'll go answer it now.
See the next motion niya. Thank you po. See you.
Are you answering it na?
Not yet. Tara, let's go. Let's start. Okay, you regularly make new friends. Yes. You don't? You do?
When I'm in a new place, I make friends. Pero if I'm wala lang.
If you're a wala lang,
Paano ba? Pag like sa school or like, I think yes.
okay. I think, okay na, you can answer however you want naman. It's fine. Think about it then. Complex and novel ideas. Sige, salitan tayo ng
Sige.
Ikaw. Go.
I mean, I'm gonna answer this.
You're gonna read it. Yes.
So complex and novel ideas excite you more than simple and straightforward ones.
Yeah. Ikaw.
And I like the straightforward one.
Makes sense. You usually feel more persuaded by what resonates emotionally with you than by factual arguments. Ooh. So, it resonates emotionally than by facts. And dito ako mid.
I think mid din.
Kasi mahalaga din yung yung
Both
insight
sides.
ng emotions and insight ng logic.
Yeah.
You're living into ikaw.
Your living and working spaces are clean and organized. No. I tried to fix it.
No.
I focus eh kapag merong super mess. You can focus.
I like things that alam ko kung saan nakalagay yung mga bagay-bagay. Like, if it's in a different place, I feel like masasa-stress ako. It's not too messy naman. It's just not organized.
Okay.
You usually stay calm even under a lot of pressure. Usually stay calm. Yeah. But not...
Yes. Ikaw yes?
Ako, yes. Ikaw?
No.
Wow, yeah, you do panic a lot.
Yeah, I panic a lot.
May nagsan naman ng corgi kung bakit ko wait, I should list what I'm saying kasi I forget. Bakit favorite color ni Liana pink? Related siya doon sa answer mo.
Oh my gosh, okay. Kinakabahan ako doon. Baka mamaya may pag-giveaway and I was panicking.
Anong giveaway?
I was panicking. Oh my gosh, ba't kinuha niyo yung pink? Ganon. Yun yung imagine ko. Okay. Usually stay calm, no? So, close to this. Okay. Your turn.
Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? It's me. You find the idea of networking or promoting yourself to strangers very daunting. No.
No.
It's a job.
Yeah. My turn? Okay. So you prioritize and plan tasks effectively, often completing them well before the deadline. Wow, very specific.
Ikaw, what? Which one? Agree, disagree?
The next after mid.
The next, which one? Disagree or agree?
Agree.
In agree? Same.
Yeah.
Same tayo din.
Siguro, on the deadline, nagpapanik na ako. Pero masasubmit ko siya. Pero on the deadline, yeah.
Ay, hindi pala. Mas ano pala ako. Sige, sa gitna ng ano, pinakamalaki yung pinakamaliit na agree. Kasi I like planning. I love to plan. Like, literally, should I show you? Wait,
Gosh,
I'm gonna show you.
Best friend ko.
Ha?
Yung best friend ko, kapag may meet up kami, dinilist niya yung time na mag-arrive ako, yung time na kakain kami, yung time...
Ano naman ganun ka-organize?
Ganon?
Hindi naman ganun. Ano lang, like this lang. Kunyari, ito. Oh my gosh, pwede ba ito ipakita? Pwede naman, tapos na ito eh.
Okay.
I have, ayan o. Oh, may pumpkin lahat ng guestings, ganyan.
Wow!
Time in and time out. I like to plan. I love to plan. Tapos yung mga ano, I like planning. So, nalagay ko siya sa schedule, pero feeling ko I'm still gonna cram it a bit. Kaya medyo...
At least it's like to remind you, which is good.
Yeah.
Like, an achievement when you mark it na, di ba? Parang you're done.
Yeah. Ayan na yung mga mahiwagang listahan ni Coley laptop version. Before kasi, mayroon ako maliliit na piece of paper na doon, ay, oo nga, feeling ko same kami ng best friend mo. Naka-plot yung hours, naka-plot yung oras ng gantong oras, gagawin ko kay Ligo, ganyan, kain. But now, mas digitalized na siya. People's stories and emotions speak louder to you than numbers or data.
Yes.
Or data.
Parang more on little, no? Pag sa research, parang qualitative, ganun.
Oo, actually. I'm middle. Numbers are important.
Okay. Okay, you like to use organizing tools like, ayun na, schedule, ayun na, sinabi mo na.
Yeah.
Ako mid, kasi notes lang gamit ko eh.
But you still list it down.
Oo nga.
Even a small mistake can cause you to doubt your overall abilities and knowledge. This is gonna reveal me too much, I feel like. Wala na akong mysterious niyan. Pag...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, na-exit ko siya. No!
Oh no!
Okay, it's back. Na-save. Okay.
Ako siguro agree din, pero yung maliit na agree. Di ba may malaki agree?
Oo nga. Siguro same. What happens kasi, kunyari, I make a small mistake. I'm gonna practice over and over again to make sure na I won't make the same mistake. So, it does cause me to doubt myself. So, I'd say the big one. Yung nasagot mo yan 3 times, alam na namin sagot.
You feel comfortable just walking up to someone you find interesting and striking up a conversation.
Yeah. Me too.
Yeah.
You're not